Hi, I'm Simi from Thane and I am a language trainer and a consultant by profession. I'm also into industrial profiling and training for those who lack in communication skills or those who are fearful of interviews or stepping into a crowd because they don't know how to speak. I am a BCom graduate and I have done my masters from abroad. I am into this since last 2.5 years, and I have been working with the candidates to improve their verbal abilities, out of which many of them has made to top-notch industries, top-notch good industries or corporates, or even most of them has migrated to abroad. I have been teaching online since last 2.5 months now because of this COVID, and I usually target those students, those candidates who cannot speak, who are fearful of communicating with others because they think they don't know the language, or they don't know how to speak, or they don't know how to give an interview, or they don't know how to groom. I always believe in teaching with examples, and my main teaching, every lecture will start with a case study. So I want you to understand the company standards and what are the market research or market values right now. I don't want to push you with the theory. No, I believe in practical and assignments a lot. So my teaching will consist of lot of case studies which will be picked up from the market itself. I strongly believe in sharing knowledge from you as well, and I will be sharing my knowledge with you, and will be communicating at the same time. I'm using this Sulekha e-learning platform because this is a wonderful opportunity for everyone to understand your subjects, and it's very easy and flexible, and also it gives you a lot of advanced means to understand and advanced technologies which I also use in my lectures. So Sulekha e-learning will be a wonderful platform for you to understand your own subject and your own areas. Thank you.